Reading Pioneers is proud to present All by Myself by Aliki. Run to the bathroom, fast as an elf. Sit, wash, brush, all by myself. Down with the bottoms, up with the top. Down with the shirt, and snap it all up. Pull up the blue jeans, button and zip. On with the socks, and now for a flip. Right shoe, left shoe, tie, comb, done. Breakfast's ready. Pour, crunch, yum. Open the school door. I'm on my way. Build, paint, write, sing. Fun all day. When school is over, there's still more to do. Going here, going there. Quiet is nice too. Practice my lesson. Soon, time to eat. Help with the dinner. What a treat! A whole day is over. Nighttime comes. Unsnap, up, unzip, down. Water runs. Steamy, dreamy. Splash, squeeze, rub. Clean and dry now. Goodbye, tub. Up with the bottoms. Down with the top. Choose a book. Snuggle close. Time to stop. Close the light. Say good night. Sleep sweet dreams. One day ends. Then another begins. Thank you everyone for reading along with us to the story All by Myself. I think it's important to teach children about independence so then they don't have to always be reliant on their parents. What do you guys think? Below your thoughts about the story. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button to show your support. If you're interested in other stories by Reading Pioneers, here are 4 stories that I think you would enjoy if you wish to continue your adventure with us. Well, that's it for now. So until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.